Hello guys, welcome to my channel Passion Cooking at Harmna's Kitchen. So guys, today we are going to make a very special recipe which is crab curry. As you can see, we've just brought nice fresh crabs from the market. Nice fat claws. We're going to make crab curry. So let's start. So for that we need half cup coriander, half cup wet coconut, half dry coconut, 1.5 inch ginger, 10 to 12 flakes of garlic, 4 to 5 green chilies. Now what we have done is we have roasted all these ingredients very well, and we are going to make a paste out of it. We are going to grind this roasted masala all together, and don't forget to add mint leaves as well. Now take half cup of tamarind water. So this is a ground masala, 2 tablespoons bottle masala. All those who don't have bottle masala can check the recipe, the ingredients. Instead of bottle masala, what you can use, we have the alternate as well. So guys, we are going to use crab legs. We are going to grind it, make a puree out of it, and strain it twice, because there are a lot of sediments of crab legs which remain in the water. So when you are even adding the water in the curry, make sure you add only the top water. Don't entirely empty the water in the curry. For tempering, we need around 8 to 10 curry leaves and 7 to 8 garlic flakes. Now take a vessel, take around 2 tablespoons of oil. Guys, the masalas which I have told you all, you all have to use it according to your requirement, as per your quantity, how much you are going to use it. Now I have added garlic flakes. I have not chopped, I have only smashed it. As you can see, our garlic is nicely getting sauteed. Once the garlic is sauteed, you can add curry leaves and East Indian masala. As I've told you, all those who don't have East Indian masala, we have an alternate for that as well, which is already on your screen. So guys, we need to fry the masala very well so that oil separates. As you can see, the oil is already separated from the masala. Now you can add the ground masala which we had roasted and grind. So basically what we had used in this: chilies, ginger, garlic, mint leaves, coriander leaves, dry coconut, wet coconut, and we had made the paste. So that masala you need to add. Once added, you will need to add water inside and add salt as per your taste. Now cover it till it boils. As you can see, the curry is nicely boiling. Now just add the puree of the crab leg and only take the topmost part of the water. As you can see, a curry is boiling. Now you can add the crabs in the curry. I had few big crabs, that is why I have cut it into 2. If you all have medium size, you all can add the full crab in it. It's a very nice crab curry. Once you added the crabs, cover it, let it boil. As you can see, once it starts boiling, then you need to add the tamarind water. And yes, our curry is ready. Look at it, guys. Try making it this way. There are many ways the crab curry has been made, but try in this style. I'm sure you all will like the recipe. Thank you so much.